Question number 8(1)B. For a dealer A, the list price of an article is rupees 9,000. So what we want to write? So transaction is from, tell me please.
A to
Okay, A to B, then again from B to
C.
B to C. Okay, B to C. Don't write, first listen. For a dealer A, the list price of an article is rupees 9,000. So list price means what? Another name for list price is what? Marked price. List price or marked price is given as rupees 9,000. Rupees 9,000. Then he sells to dealer B at some lower price. At some lower price. So what is that? He sells to dealer B at some lower price. So what is the meaning of that? We don't know how much amount, for how much amount he sell to dealer B. So that means let what will be? Let sell the amount means what will be that? Let the, which one will be? Let the SP, we don't know the amount, so let the selling price be X, so we don't know the selling price. Marked price is given as what? 9,000, we don't know the selling price, let it be X. Up to that understood? Then,
Yes.
then next to read the question once more. Okay. SP is equal to X. So what will be CP of B?
X.
X itself. X itself. Then read the second sentence. Further, dealer B sells the same article to a customer at its list price. So what is the meaning of? Dealer B sells the same article. Dealer B is selling that article to the another one. Condition is what? Sells the same article to customer at its list price. At its list price. So what is that 9,000? At its list price means that with that same amount 9,000, he sell, that means the dealer B sells to the another person.
Price.
So what is this 9,000? You are telling, tell me. Yes. Can we say it as a list price is given in the question? So for doing problem, which can we write list price here?
Yeah.
Instead of list price, what? Selling price only. Selling price, no. CP for 9,000 itself. That means here it is the selling price, so CP will be 9,000. Then what other things we can do? What is our question? Find out what the amount paid by dealer B. Amount paid by dealer B we want to find out. We have to find out the amount paid by dealer B. So how can we find out? Think and say. First step, what we want to do? Let the SP of dealer A is equal to X. Therefore, CP of dealer B is equal to X. Also given SP of dealer B is what? 9,000. This step we want to write from the question. It is given in the question, that's why we are writing SP of dealer B is 9,000. That means the sentence is dealer B sells the same article to a customer at its list price. Then, therefore, CP of dealer C is equal to 9,000 itself. 9,000. GST given as write down GST is equal to 18%.
80%.
So, GST. How can we write this? GST is given. They are not telling about intrastate or interstate. So we can Take it as what?
18%.
18%. Dealer A. Yes or no? So tax.
Yes.
Tax. 324 is given though. So what is that 324? Read the question.
Yes.
Dealer B paid a
GST
tax
rupees.
under GST. GST is given as 18%, but the dealer B paid a tax. That amount is given as what? 324. So what is that 324? What is that 324?
Tax.
That means what? The last final answer, that net tax is that, no? Net tax is which one?
324.
Net tax is 324. Net tax is 324. Net tax is 324. Net tax is given as 324. Net tax means net tax of B is given as 324. That means net tax means output tax minus input tax for finding the input tax. So first we want to find the GST in between A and B, transaction in between A and B. So write down for the transaction from A to B, for your knowledge only, for the transaction from A to B, write the side heading, that is better. Transaction from A to B transaction, GST will be what? GST is equal to, write down, 18% of X. So instead of this GST, we can replace this GST as what?
Input tax.
Another name, input tax. We can write another name for that. We can write it as input tax is equal to 18% of X. Then only we can substitute in that formula. We have net tax is equal to what? Output tax minus input tax is our formula. Then only we can substitute. So let it be the 18% of X. Then similarly for the transaction from B to C, we have selling price, cost price, here also cost price. For the transaction from B to C, what will be? Same.
18% of
B to C, GST will be 18% of
percentage of 9,000.
very good.
9,000.
9,000. Very good. 9,000. Then write down 18% of 9,000. Write down 18 input tax. What we wrote? 18% of 9,000. So 18% of X we wrote. No. There also one more step you write. 18 by 100 into X. That means input tax is equal to 18 by 100 into X. Let it be there. Then after that you want to write which one? For the transaction from B to C, GST. This is known as the
Output.
okay, output tax is equal to 18 by 100 into 9,000. Net tax paid by B is equal to formula output tax minus
Input tax.
input tax. So we can substitute. Net tax paid by B is there in the question itself. It is given as
324.
324. 324 is equal to output tax. We found out, no? Output tax, what is the?
18 by 100 into 9,000.
18 by 100 into output tax
9,000.
9,000 minus input tax
18 by 100 into X.
18 by 100 into X. Up to that write down.
Yes.
18 by 100 common. So balance 9,000 minus X. Then we need X. Selling price, no. So for finding X, keep that 9,000 minus X to the right side itself. So if we take 18 by 100 to the left side, it will become what? Already 324 is there. So what will happen to this 18 by 100 if we take to the left side?
Into 100 by 18.
Into reciprocal. Into 100 by 18. Then cancel it. 18 into how much is 324? 18 So directly if you cancel means 18 into 18 is 324. So 18 into 100 is equal to 9000 minus x. So 1800, 9000 minus x. So next step what we can do?
Is equal to 9 minus 1000.
That means this x we can take to a left side, so it will become positive x. So 9000 already there, then this 1800 will become minus, so it will become minus 1000. One more step I will write, that is better. Minus 1800. So x is equal to what? Got it?
7,200.
7200. Okay. Amount including GST. Therefore, amount including GST. Inclusive of GST means including. No. Amount including GST paid by dealer B. Paid by dealer B is equal to 7200 plus GST is 18%. So 18% of 7200. 18% of 7200. Do this calculation in the working order, that is better.
96. 1296.
Okay, 1296 is the value of 18% of 7200. So, which is equal to 7200 plus 1296. So, final answer
8496.
8496. Ninth question. The market price of an article is 6000. A wholesaler sells it to a dealer at 20% discount. The dealer further sells the article to a customer at a discount of 10% on the market price. If the rate of GST at each stage is 18%, find the amount of tax under GST paid by the dealer to the government. So, market price is given as 6000, discount is given as 20%, is giving a discount of 20%. So, what will be the selling price of the wholesaler?
20% of 6,000.
20% discount means he is selling first A exercise. Same way, no? Discount is 70. 100 minus 20.
80%.
A selling price of the wholesaler is what? Selling price of the wholesaler will be 20% discount he is giving. So 80% of the market price. Market price is what? 6000, understood? So selling price will be 80% of 6000. Write down. 80 by 100 into 6000. Final answer. What is this?
4,800.
4008. Okay. Selling price of the wholesaler, we got it as 4800. So here we can write. For our convenience, we are writing that. SP is equal to 4800. So what will be the CP of the dealer? Therefore,
4800.
4800 itself. CP of the dealer is equal to 4800. Next, read the question. The dealer further sells the article to a customer at a discount of 10% on the marked price. The dealer further sells to the customer at a discount of 10% on the marked price. So what is the meaning of that? See, so very good.
6,000.
90% of
90% of 6,000.
will be what? 90% of 6,000 will be
SP of cleanup.
SP of dealer is equal to 90% of 6,000. Got the meaning of that sentence? Girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Alna. Answer SP of dealer. 90 by 100 into 6,000. Answer SP of dealer. Got 5,400? So,
Yes.
5,400. So, what about CP of the customer?
5,000.
5,000.
5,400. Write down. CP of customer is equal to 5,400. Again read the question. If the rate of GST is 18%, find the amount of tax paid by the dealer to the government. Dealer to the government.
Percentage of 5,400.
GST of dealer, given GST is 18%, so we can write 18% of 5,400, that is 18 by 100 into 5,400. So answer what? What I wrote GST of dealer, what I wrote 18% of 5,000. 18% of 5,000 means dealer to the customer transaction. So what we want to write instead of dealer? GST of customer only we want to write, no? Customer. Transaction is from dealer to customer. This GST now we are finding. So GST of customer is equal to 18% of 5,400. So answer is what?
972.
972. So this GST is 972 dealer to customer. The next we want to find out which one. Find the amount of tax paid by the dealer to the government. Dealer to amount of tax paid by the dealer to the government we want to find. So dealer we want to find out means this GST is known as GST of the customer. This is known as what? What tax?
Output tax. Government tax.
That means name of that is
Output
what?
tax.
Output tax.
Output tax.
Output tax. This we want to find out. Tax paid by the dealer to the government. Tax paid by the dealer to the government we want to find out. So how can we find dealer to the government? For finding the tax paid by the dealer, we want to find out which tax. Only the output tax. Input tax also we want to find out. How can we find the input tax? That is the GST of
Dealer.
Very good. GST of dealer we want to find out. GST of dealer, another name for GST of dealer is known as
Output tax.
input tax. GST of customer is known as output tax.
Output tax.
If you write like this way, it will be easy. That is better, I think so. So dealer, GST of dealer is equal to same tax, no, GST 18% of
80% of 4,800.
4,800 is equal to 18 by 100 into 4,800 value
864.
okay, 864. So here we got 864, that is known as the input tax. So what they asked to find out? Find amount of tax paid by the dealer to the government. Write down. So net tax or amount of tax under GST paid by the dealer to the government. Either you can write amount of tax paid by dealer to the government, same step, or net GST. Both are correct. Net tax paid by dealer B is equal to output tax minus input tax, that is 972 minus
806. 108.
108.
100.
Instead of this net tax paid by the dealer, instead of this you can write the same step, amount of tax paid by dealer to the government. That also you can write.